You know what keeps me up at night? Not the hot flashes anymore, thankfully. Not even the joint pain, though we'll get to that. What keeps me up is thinking about all the simple solutions that were right under our noses this whole time. Solutions our mothers knew. Solutions that got lost somewhere between the miracle cream commercials and the prescription pads. Today I want to share something with you, and I want you to really listen, because this could change the next chapter of your life. Garlic oil. I can already hear some of you saying, "Oh no, she's going to tell me to smell like an Italian restaurant." Just wait. When women our age, women over 60, use garlic oil every night for 7 days straight, our bodies start responding in ways that honestly shocked me when I first learned about them. 13 powerful benefits. 13 reasons to give this ancient remedy a real chance. Let's start at number 13 and work our way up to the benefit that's going to blow your mind. Number 13 is something we don't talk about at book club: nail fungus. There, I said it. Those thick, yellowing toenails that make us skip the pedicure appointments, that keep our feet hidden in closed-toe shoes even in July. Here's the thing, ladies. This happens to so many of us after 60. Our circulation changes, our immune system slows down, and those stubborn fungal infections take hold. Garlic has natural antifungal properties that have been studied against the exact organisms causing nail infections. The allicin compound can actually penetrate the nail and fight fungus at its source. Women who've tried everything else are finally seeing their nails clear up. It takes patience, sometimes months, but imagine putting on those sandals again without a second thought. Now let's move to number 12, something that hits even closer to home for many of us: our hair. Stand in front of your bathroom mirror tomorrow morning. Look at that hairline. Remember when it was thicker, fuller? After menopause, we lose the hormonal protection that kept our hair healthy for decades. It thins, it falls out more easily. Sometimes it just stops growing the way it used to. Garlic oil contains sulfur compounds that actually strengthen hair follicles. It improves blood flow to the scalp, bringing nutrients right where they're needed. Studies show it can help prevent hair loss and may even encourage new growth. I've talked to women who massage diluted garlic oil into their scalp before bed, cover with a silk cap, and wash it out in the morning. After a few weeks, they're seeing tiny new hairs at their temples and hairline. Sister, we deserve a beautiful head of hair at any age. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Number 11 is about something happening beneath our skin right now: collagen. You've seen the expensive creams promising to boost it, the supplements that cost a fortune, but here's what they don't tell you. Our bodies are designed to make collagen on their own. After menopause, that production slows dramatically. Without collagen, our skin loses its firmness, its bounce, its youthful structure. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that support our body's natural collagen production. It's not adding fake collagen from outside, it's helping our own systems work better. When you use garlic oil at night, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to do what it's already trying to do. That's the kind of support I'm talking about. Number 10 gets a little scientific, but stay with me because this matters. Oxidative stress. Think of it like rust forming inside your body, free radicals attacking your cells, causing damage that builds up day after day, year after year. After menopause, this oxidative damage actually accelerates. We lose some of the natural protection we had before. Studies specifically looked at healthy postmenopausal women and found that garlic consumption improved the balance between damaging oxidants and protective antioxidants in their blood. What does that mean for you and me? Less cellular damage, less internal rusting, more protection for every organ in our body. This is the kind of benefit you can't see or feel directly, but it's happening. Every night you use garlic oil, you're fighting a battle at the cellular level. Now we're getting to number 9, and this is where your doctor's ears should perk up. Cholesterol. How many times have you sat in that examination room while someone talked about your numbers? LDL too high, HDL too low. We need to discuss your lipid panel. After 60, these conversations get more serious. Without estrogen helping to keep our cholesterol in check, those numbers can climb. Research shows that garlic supplements can reduce total cholesterol and LDL, the bad kind. They can also help raise HDL, the protective kind. Women in studies saw real improvements after just weeks of consistent use. Taking garlic oil at night means those compounds are working during the hours your body does its heaviest repair work. You're sleeping while garlic is supporting your cardiovascular system. That's what I call smart self-care. Number 8 is about protection. Our immune system. Remember when you could shake off a cold in 2 days? When you were the one taking care of sick family members without catching everything yourself? Our immune systems naturally weaken as we age. It's biology, not failure, but it means we need extra support. Garlic has been used as immune support for literally thousands of years. Ancient civilizations figured this out long before we had laboratories to prove it. Modern research shows that garlic's antibacterial and antiviral properties can help reduce the frequency of illnesses. When people do get sick, they often recover faster. Think about all the living you want to do, the grandchildren you want to hug, the trips you want to take. A stronger immune system isn't just about not getting sick, it's about living fully. Number 7 is one that keeps many of us genuinely worried: our bones. Did you know that 1 in 3 women over 50 will experience a fracture due to osteoporosis? 1 in 3. That's not a statistic. That's our sisters, our friends, ourselves. After menopause, we can lose up to 20% of our bone density. Hip fractures, spine compression, broken wrists from falls that wouldn't have mattered 20 years ago. Research suggests that garlic may help with bone health by reducing oxidative stress, the same cellular damage we talked about earlier. Some compounds in garlic might even help prevent bone loss. This isn't about replacing your calcium supplements or weight-bearing exercise. It's about adding another layer of support, another soldier in the fight to keep our skeletons strong. Number 6 is something I hear about constantly: blood pressure, silent, sneaky, dangerous. They call it the silent killer because you can't feel it doing damage until it's too late. After menopause, our blood pressure risk increases significantly. The protective effects of estrogen fade, and those numbers start creeping up. Garlic contains compounds that help blood vessels relax and expand. This allows blood to flow more freely, reducing the pressure on arterial walls. Studies have found that consistent garlic use helped participants maintain healthier blood pressure levels. Some researchers say the effects are comparable to certain first-line blood pressure medications. I'm not telling you to throw away your prescriptions. I'm telling you that garlic oil at night might give you an extra edge, might help those numbers move in the right direction. Number 5 is something I wish I'd understood 20 years ago: inflammation. Not the kind you can see like a swollen ankle. The chronic low-grade inflammation that simmers inside us. The kind linked to heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even cognitive decline. Women with rheumatoid arthritis who took garlic supplements saw significant decreases in inflammatory markers. Their CRP levels dropped. Their TNF-alpha levels fell. These are the specific chemicals that drive inflammation throughout the body. But here's what really got my attention. Their fatigue improved. Their pain decreased. Their overall disease activity scores went down. Fighting inflammation isn't just about one condition. It's about protecting your entire body from the damage chronic inflammation causes over time. Number 4. Let's talk about our joints. Knees that announce the weather. Hips that wake us up at night. Fingers that ache when we try to open jars. Joint pain after 60 isn't a character flaw. It's decades of use catching up with us. Cartilage wearing down, inflammation building up. One study looked specifically at postmenopausal women with knee osteoarthritis. After 12 weeks of garlic supplementation, their stiffness significantly improved. Pain levels dropped. Physical function got better. Garlic contains compounds that may actually help prevent cartilage damage, not just mask the pain, but protect the joint itself. And applying diluted garlic oil directly to sore joints, the anti-inflammatory properties can bring relief right where you need it most. Our joints carried us through careers, through raising children, through everything life threw at us. They deserve some extra care now. Number 3, this one is personal. Sleep. Oh, sweet sleep. Remember when you could close your eyes and 8 hours would pass like magic? When you woke up actually rested? Menopause changes everything about sleep. Hot flashes interrupt us. Anxiety keeps our minds racing. Our circadian rhythms shift, and suddenly we're wide awake at 3 in the morning. Research found that compounds in garlic help relieve difficulties falling asleep and staying asleep. People taking garlic extract reported better sleep quality, falling asleep faster, and feeling more rested. Garlic contains zinc and sulfurous compounds that promote natural relaxation. It can even help clear congested airways, reducing snoring and breathing difficulties. Taking garlic oil before bed means those calming compounds are working during the exact hours you need them most. Imagine sleeping deeply again, waking up with actual energy, being present and alert for the people and activities you love. Number 2, our hearts. I want you to really hear this one. Cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death for women over 60. Not something that happens to other people, the actual leading cause. When menopause stripped away our estrogen, it took with it significant protection for our hearts. Our risk jumped dramatically. Research specifically studying postmenopausal women found that aged garlic extract reduced total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and homocysteine levels. High homocysteine is an independent risk factor for heart disease. Garlic helps prevent hardening of the arteries. It supports healthy blood flow. Studies found that higher doses provided more benefits in women than in men. Did you catch that? More benefits in women. This isn't generic advice. This is research that looked at women like us and found that garlic makes a measurable, significant difference for our hearts. We have grandchildren to watch grow up. Adventures still waiting for us. Protecting our hearts isn't vanity, it's survival. And now, number 1. The benefit I know matters to you. Garlic oil reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Look, I'm all for aging gracefully. I've earned every laugh line around my eyes. But wanting my skin to look healthy and vibrant isn't vanity either. It's self-respect. Scientific research found that compounds from garlic significantly inhibited wrinkle formation. They protected the structural proteins that keep our skin firm. They reduced oxidative damage in skin cells. One study found that garlic treatments actually outperformed vitamin E in improving skin elasticity among women our age. The antioxidants fight free radicals while we sleep. The sulfur compounds support collagen production. The anti-inflammatory properties calm redness and irritation. Over time, skin looks firmer, more radiant, more alive. Not fake or frozen, just healthy, supported, cared for. So here's what I want you to do. Tonight, start simply. A few drops of quality garlic oil mixed with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Test a small patch of skin first. To check for sensitivity, you can apply it to your feet, your joints, your scalp. You can take food-grade garlic oil supplements with your doctor's approval. Give it 7 nights, just 7. Your body has been through so much. It's carried you through decades of life. Now it's asking for a little extra support. Garlic oil isn't a miracle cure. Nothing is. But it's a simple, natural tool that science shows can make a real difference for women like us. Our grandmothers knew. Ancient healers knew. Modern research confirms what wisdom already taught. We deserve to feel good in these bodies. We deserve sleep, strong bones, healthy hearts, and yes, even beautiful skin. If this spoke to you today, please share it with a sister who needs to hear it. Subscribe so you don't miss our next video, made specifically for women over 60. We're not done yet, ladies. Not by a long shot. See you next time.